Hello friends, today my topic is how to remove Java was started error code equal to 13. So friends, the proper error that come on the screen will be Java was started but return exit code equal to 13. I am going to tell you that how can you remove this type of error when you start your Eclipse. So friends, when you start your Eclipse, then this type of error will come into play. Java was started but return exit code equal to 30. Now, how to remove this? So friends, it is very simple. To do this, you have to know about three things. First thing is that you have to know about your operating system you are using in your system or computers. You have to find it out. The operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Second thing is that you have to find it out. The Eclipse is 32-bit or 64-bit, same for Java. Means if your system configuration of operating system is 64-bit, then you have to use Eclipse and Java for 64-bit. And your system configuration or means your operating system is 32-bit, then you have to use 32-bit Eclipse and Java. If you use operating system of 64-bit and use Eclipse and Java for 32-bit, then this type of error will come. Java was started but return exit code equal to 30. Same, if your operating system is 32-bit and you are using Eclipse and Java 64-bit, then same error will come into play. So the thing you have to note that the system configuration bit and Eclipse and Java configuration bit must be same. If you are using 64-bit operating system, you have to use Eclipse and Java 64-bit. For 32, you have to use 32. If you follow the pattern, then this type of error will automatically remove. So friends, let's go to the system. Friends, I am using Windows 7 on my machine. So to find it out, what is the configuration of operating system means it is 32-bit or 64-bit. So go to here, go to control panel, system and security. Here in system, see the name of this computer. Click over there. On this window, here you can find it out that system type is 32-bit operating system. So I have to use 32-bit Eclipse and Java. My operating system is 32-bit, so I have to use Eclipse and Java for 32-bit. If this configuration match, this type of error will automatically remove. You don't have to copy a code from anywhere, and there is no need to put the code in your particular folder or something else. So to watch it out, now I have to download Java. To there, click over there. So friends, here first you have to accept the agreement, and here you can find out that this is the JDK for Windows x64. It means that this Java is JDK is for 64-bit operating system. Here, please check it out. JDK Windows i586.exe. This is 32-bit Java. You have to download. If your operating system is 64-bit, download it and install it. If your operating system is 32-bit, download i586.exe in your system and install it. One thing is clear. And now go to the next thing. We have to go to the Eclipse. Download Eclipse Neon because Neon is the latest version. Click over there. Go to here Eclipse ID for Java EE developer. Here both versions are there, 30 for 32-bit and 64-bit. My operating system is 32-bit. I will click over there and download it and install it in my system. So this URL and this URL, both the URL I will provide you in the description section of my video. You can directly find out the 32-bit or 64-bit configuration of your Eclipse and Java. So friend, after downloading it, you have to install it, both the thing. When you install both the thing and again you start your Eclipse, then this error, Java was started but return exit code equal to 13, will automatically remove. So I click over there. Now Eclipse is going to start. It will take some time. Yes, it is going to start. Yes, click on OK. The processing start. You can see over there. So friends, if you like my video, then please like it, comment it, and share it. And friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, you will get the notification of the next video that I'm going to upload on my channel. So friends, here Eclipse is open and you can start from here. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.